In this video, we're going to see how to do competitive watch with Alerti. So you can monitor both what's being said about your competitors and what they publish on their own social accounts. To monitor what's being said about them, click on the plus button and then select Alert on Keywords. You select My Competitors, you give a name to your alert, and here, as keywords, you're going to enter the name of your competitor. You've got two fields, any of the following keywords or expressions, or all of the following keywords or expressions. So you enter your competitor's name. And if they use a hashtag, for example, that you want to monitor, you can also enter the hashtag. And in this case, our search engine is going to look for articles, tweets, posts that include either your competitor's name or the hashtag that you entered. You could refine your search by combining it with other keywords or excluding some keywords. But usually, if your competitor's name is unique enough, you just need to enter it here and it's going to be good. Here you've got a summary of the search. You click on Next. You select the language, so over 40 languages are supported. You select the sources, online news, blogs, web, which is everything that's not blogs or online news, Twitter, Instagram images and videos, Flickr, forums, videos, which are YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion. You can also monitor reviews posted about your competitors. Then you can exclude some sources, exclude websites, exclude domain extension. If you exclude, for example, all the websites that end with .ca, you can exclude Twitter accounts. Then you can link a Twitter account to your alert to be able to reply on Twitter directly from Alerti. And then you have notifications, so email, mobile, desktop, real time, once per day, once per week, or none. You click on Finish, and you start retrieving everything that's being said about your competitors. Now, to monitor what they publish on their own social accounts, you click on the plus button, and now you're going to select Alert on social accounts you do not manage. You select My Competitors, you give a name to your alert, and here for Facebook, you're going to enter the URL of the Facebook page of your competitor. For Instagram, you're going to enter the username. And for Twitter, you're going to enter the username as well. You click on Next. You can subscribe by email, mobile, desktop, in real time, once per day, once per week, none. You click on Finish. And that's it. You're going to start retrieving all the content published by your competitors and get some insights on their content. And that's it for Competitive Watch with Alerti.